In this video, we'll be talking about if dogs like cheese and if it's good for them. We've got lots of dogs around here. We feed them different things. So in this video, we'll be doing a test to see if they all like cheese. Cheddar cheese. First of all, is cheese safe for your dog? Yes, cheese is safe for your dog. Most dogs love cheese. He enjoys cheese. See about the bigger dogs. Now let's see about the medium-sized dogs. Just a couple inches smaller. So far it looks like all the dogs liked the cheese. So yes, cheese is yummy and safe for your dog. And check out my other videos and subscribe for more dog videos.